Hi guys, today we're going to be teaching you how to make this greenery garland for a bar cart. I have been perpetually sick for like 3 weeks, so my voice sounds interesting, so just try to get past that. But we're going to just show you a quick tutorial on this and how to make your bar cart festive for the holidays. So first I got wrapped floral wire, and I cut a length big enough to go around the top of the bar cart and down the sides with a little bit of extra room. And then I'm just going to start at the middle, and I'm going to cut pieces of greenery and then attach it using wire. So I got these pre-cut pieces that I'll just cut smaller pieces off, but these are just wrapped to look a little bit more natural, so if any of it shows, it won't be quite as noticeable as some floral wire. Once I had a base layer down, I just am going to take it and attach it using zip ties to the top of the bar cart, and then I'm going to bend the wire inside to give it the shape I want, and then I'll go back in and fill it with more greenery.